Hi and welcome, I'm Kit Litter, behind the scenes at the auditions for Cat Idol 2008, where the search for Serena's ideal cat has begun. Let's have a look to see how the judges have been going.
So, what do you have for us?
Extraordinarily ugly. I'm sorry, but that's a no from me.
Just not ready. Please, this cat was born ready.
You have got to be kidding me. They're not in a billion years. No, no, no.
What? I love both meows, but I thought you really shone in the second one. You owned it! What?
There was only one meow, and it was terrible. I'm sorry, that's a no. Goodbye.
We came all the way from Invercargill.
This is Princess Perfection.
Princess Perfection, is it? I think you've got that X factor. That's a yes from me.
Oh yeah, the competition is on, and I want to see more of that.
Well, pretty good comments there. Any thoughts?
Well, I expected nothing less. Princess Perfection will wipe the floor with those other cats. Yes, she really will. Won't you, darling?
Look, I don't know if you have a cat groomer, but if you do, you should sue her.
Oh, I guess it really is all about song choice.
What do you think they're talking about? Best in Show 2007 Tamukran District Cat Show? Well, what do you think about that?
Now that right there is the best argument I've ever seen for neutering.
What? That was the best meow. I saw the yellow. I feel you.
I'm sorry about her. Sit down, Paula. That's a no. Sorry.
Neutering? Don't you listen to the bad man?
Well, there's one more spot in the finals, but frankly, I'm all catted out.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, listen, if the next cat that comes in has 4 legs and a tail, we put it through to the finals and make it come last. Deal?
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Excuse me, is this where I auditioned for New Zealand Cat Idol?
That's a yes from me.
Honey, you are through. Oh. Okay, we can go now. Yay, you.
Fantastic. How does it feel?
I'm so excited. I didn't even tell them that Montague helps out at the homeless shelter. He once rescued Timmy from a well.
Well, there you have it. Just some of the moggies that made it through or didn't. I'll be back right before the show starts. Join me then on the red, scratched and slightly stained carpet. I'm Kit Litter. See you shortly for the final of Cat Idol 2008.